What's going on, guys? It's your boy Jay Shane, the Keto Road. I know this is a really makeshift video, but I just had to get on here and talk to you guys. It was on my heart and I didn't have time to set up everything and I don't want to forget it, so here it goes. Sometimes we have to do the hard thing. I think oftentimes we don't consider how life works and how we grow like as human beings, right? And I want to make a podcast episode about this too, so you might want to check out the Road podcast and see if it's on there. But I just got done running like 18 miles, and every time I run over 15 miles, it hurts. It's extremely, excruciatingly painful. And I think oftentimes we underestimate just how beautiful pain can be when we're willing to push through it, to overcome, to know who we are and what we're capable of. And so my encouragement today is to push through, right? Understand that life is a pruning process. You are a vine. You produce fruit. You produce stuff. And sometimes farmers and vineyards, they have to trim the branches. They have to prune. And unlike plants, for us, that pruning can hurt. That process can be painful. It can be physical pain, emotional pain, whatever. And understand that like we all go through that and it's worth going through. You are worth going through that pain, because there's a beautiful version of you that you've never met on the other side, and you can overcome. You really can. I don't know what you're going through today. I don't know, maybe it's diet, maybe it's eating disorder, maybe you just had a bad day, but I just want you to know that you can overcome and you're worth overcoming. Don't ever settle for less than what you're worth, and understand that pain sometimes is worth it. Things hurt. Life hurts. There are things about life that are not fun, and no matter how many times I run 15 miles, once I get past 15 miles, my legs are in pain every time, and it's always a mental battle. It always becomes this game of grit with my legs and me, and sometimes I lose and sometimes I win, but I never stop trying. I give it my all. And so I don't know what you're struggling with today. I don't know if the new year just feels like 2020 hasn't ended yet. But, Dr. Ryan Lowry, guy that I know, really good man, he was saying something, and he said, I don't remember exactly what he said, but it goes along the lines of like something that I love is like, people that live in the past can't build a future, right? And so like the idea of like, someone with a back mirror view can't see right in front of them. And so, don't think about what was, but try to focus on what is, what's happening now, and make the most out of it, and embrace that pain, embrace the hardship, and know that hard things make you better. All right, guys, I just want to put that out there. I know this is a weird video. I don't do stuff like this often, but I just really wanted to. I hope it encourages you. I love you guys. Feel free to subscribe and like. I will be coming out with a new reaction video soon, so look forward to that.